Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about to fix or how to solve problem of glitch on Suno app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Suno app and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.